Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. This video is going to be video 2 in the series of how to make money using just your phone. If you haven't seen the first video, be sure to go back and watch it. This video right here, we're going to get into the mindset that you must have to have a successful business and start earning money online with your phone. Also, excuse me, I'm like really nasally because I have a cold. Hopefully it's not too bad and you can still hear me and understand me. So the first thing is going to seem super obvious, but you need to believe that you can actually earn money from your phone. A lot of people don't believe that it's possible, and therefore that's going to hinder you from taking your actions to actually achieve and manifest what you want. If you're having a problem believing that it is possible, then that's the first step. You need to know that it is possible because other people have achieved it, and you'll be able to get similar results or the same results as them. The next thing that's important is your why. So why do you want to earn money from your phone? Why do you want to start an online business? What is your why? For me, I've shared throughout my journey that I am a stay-at-home mom. I also have 2 children. One of my children is special needs, so he requires a lot more of my time and attention. Right now, he's still at home. He hasn't started school officially yet, but I wanted to have a business where I still have my freedom and flexibility regardless. So if he's in school, I'm still available to assist him and help, or just overall, have a flexible schedule because I know he has special needs. And at the end of the day, I always want to be able to accommodate my child, and setting up an online business allows me to do so. And it allows me to still be able to earn money while having time, freedom, and flexibility. After you know your why and why you're pursuing your online business and earning money with just your phone, then the next thing, the why, is going to help you with this next part. And the next part is you need to prepare yourself for rejection. And yes, you are going to get rejected a lot. Whenever you are promoting something, offering something, you have to understand that it's a very small selection of people that are interested in what you're talking about. Majority of the people that you just run into off the street are not going to be interested in what you are promoting. So if you're talking to everyone, you can expect that maybe 1 or 2 out of the 100 will actually want to purchase. So you have to have that mindset already that you're going to get a lot more no's than you get yeses, especially in the beginning as you're building up your community, building up your business. But the good thing about it is you don't need everyone to say yes. You just need the right person to say yes. Once you understand that, you're going to have a better perspective on rejection, and you're going to look at it that every time you get a no, it's just going to get you closer to getting your yes. After you get over the hump of rejection and people telling you no, that's going to lead you into a characteristic that I highly suggest that you either adapt or work on if you already have it, and that is resilience. You're going to have to be resilient if you want to earn money from your phone, have an online business, get into entrepreneurship in general, because there are going to be obstacles, there are going to be setbacks. But how do you move forward from those challenges and adapt and come back better than you were before? That's resilience, and that's what you're going to need to have for this to be successful and for this to work. That's resilience, and that's what you're going to need to have for this to be successful and for this to work. You have to take daily action if you want to get daily results. That means actively promoting your online business, actively promoting your offer. This video is just about mindset, so you can insert whatever product or service that you're currently offering, but you need to promote that daily I use YouTube, so I promote through my videos. I also promote my products and offers in the community tab, and just utilizing the platform where I give new people the opportunity to see what I'm doing, and if they want to learn more, then they can come in, binge my content, make that decision to get on my email list, learn more, and then buy my products if I have the solution that fits their needs. I want you to think of your online business the same way you think of a regular store like Target or Sephora or anything like that. Those businesses are usually open every single day. The store is open. That doesn't mean that people are going to come in and buy or not, but those stores are open every single day, or they have a schedule that they are open for. So you have to think of your business the same way online. And the way that I, quote unquote, open my doors to my business is to create content. Like I said, that's video content or creating a community post. Those are ways for me to say, hey, my store is open. Come on in, check out, see what I got going on. If you like it, then this is what we offer, and the rest is history. But you have to have that mindset of you have a business, so take a daily action that's going to bring more awareness to what you're doing to attract your ideal customer and clients. If you adapt the above mindset, then those are your first steps to developing a mindset to be able to make money just using your phone and also having a successful online business. In the next video, I'll be giving you more actionable steps, so be prepared for that, as well as we will get into planning and intention so you can achieve the goals that you set for yourself and start earning money from your phone, because I want 2025 to be your most prosperous year yet. And we literally have a computer and a money-making machine in the palm of our hands. And I believe more people should know how to accurately use it so they can bring more income into their households for themselves and their families. I will see you all in the next video. Be blessed, guys, and goodbye.